Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. I am Shankar Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. I am delighted to present a lecture on the subject Computer Fundamentals and Organization. This lecture is meant for Semester 1 BCA course of Kerala University. In the previous lecture, we have discussed von Neumann model. Now let's discuss input device. In computing, an input device is a piece of equipment used to provide data and control signals to an information processing system such as a computer or information appliance. It allows input of raw data to the computer for processing. Types of input devices. There are variety of input devices which are used by computer. Some of them are general purpose, that is, they may be used by any computer. The most commonly used devices for this purpose are keyboard and mouse. The special purpose devices are joystick, light pen, trackball, scanner, digitizer, microphone, magnetic ink card reader, optical character reader, and barcode reader. Keyboard. Keyboard is the most common and very popular input device which helps to input data to the computer. The layout of the keyboard is like that of traditional typewriter. There are some additional keys provided for performing additional functions. Keyboards are of two sizes, 84 keys or 101 or 102 keys, but now keyboards with 104 or 108 keys are available for Windows. Mouse. Mouse is the most popular pointing device. It is a very famous curing device having a small palm-sized box with a round ball at its base which rounds the movement of the mouse and sends corresponding signals to CPU when the mouse buttons are pressed. Generally, it has two buttons called left and right, and a wheel is present between the buttons. A mouse can be used to control the position of the cursor on the screen. Joystick. It is also a pointing device used to move the cursor position on a monitor screen. It is a stick having a spherical ball at its both lower and upper ends. The lower spherical balls moves in a socket. The joystick can be moved in all four directions. Light pen. It is a pointing device which is similar to a pen. It is used to select a displayed menu item to draw a picture on the monitor screen. It consists of a photocell and an optical system placed in a small tube. When the tip of a light pen is moved over the monitor screen and the pen button is pressed, its photocell sensing element detects the screen location and sends the corresponding signal to the CPU. These devices were an early form of manipulating and highlighting data on the screen. Trackball. Trackball is an input device that is mostly used in notebook or laptop computer instead of a mouse. This is a ball which is half inserted, and by moving fingers on the ball, the pointer can be moved. Since the whole device is not moved, a trackball requires less space than a mouse. A trackball comes in various shapes like a ball, a button, or a square. Scanner. Scanner is an input device which works more like a photocopy machine. It is used when some information is available on paper and it is to be transferred to the hard disk of the computer for further manipulation. Scanner captures images from the source which are then converted into a digital form that can be stored on the disk. These images can be edited before they are printed. Digitizer. Digitizer is an input device which converts analog information into digital form. Digitizer can convert a signal from the television or camera into a series of numbers that could be stored in a computer. They can be used by the computer to create a picture of whatever the camera had been pointed at. Digitizer is also known as tablet or graphics tablet as it converts graphics and pictorial data into binary inputs. A graphic tablet as digitizer is used for fine works of drawing and image manipulation applications. Microphone. Microphone is an input device to input sound that is then stored in a digital form. The microphone is used for various applications such as adding sound to a multimedia presentation or for mixing music. Magnetic Ink Card Reader (MICR). MICR input device is generally used in banks as there are large number of checks to be processed every day. The bank's code number and check number are printed on the checks with a special type of ink that contains particles of magnetic material that are machine readable. This reading process is called magnetic ink character recognition. The main advantages of MICR is that it is fast and less error prone. Optical Character Reader (OCR). OCR is an input device used to read a printed text. It scans the text optically, character by character, converts them into a machine readable code and stores the text on the system memory. Barcode Reader (BCR). Barcode reader is a device used for reading barcoded data, that is, data in the form of light and dark lines. Barcoded data is generally used in labeling goods, numbering the books, etc. It may be a handheld scanner or may be embedded in a stationary scanner. Barcode reader scans a barcode image, converts it into an alphanumeric value which is then fed to the computer that the barcode reader is connected to. In this lecture, we have discussed input device and types of input devices. Hope all of you have understood the lecture. Thank you.